Hi, welcome to Phil's Equipment. What we're looking at today is a Rottler F65A machine center. This machine also came out of a two-car racing team. It has very little use on it. You can look at this is a performance fixture. It has hardly any wear to it, just a couple little scratches and dings here and there. Not going to hurt a thing. Just take a look at this thing. Look up top here at the head here. I mean, this thing's like brand spanking new. Come on around the side back here and we're going to take a look at the whole machine from top to bottom, give you a good shot of this thing. This is a Rottler F65A. It's serial number 65043. Just look how clean this thing is. This is a beautiful machine. You won't find a machine any nicer than this, I promise you that. Come on around here and we'll take a look at the electrical controls. This is just the way we opened it up. It's got the later model computer in it. New drives, the whole deal. We'll come around here to the front of the machine here and we're going to show you how to program this thing here real quick. Okay, so right here we have a program. We can actually select a Chevy 350, do a left through bore, and we can go, we'll just zero everything right here. So we zeroed everything. We'll go to the vertical stops. You notice it's got a block clearance of 1.5 inches, has centering height, has a start boring height. Here's a real nice feature of these machines. You can actually go left, no block clearance, a left block clearance, or right. And what that does at 5.9 inches, it's going to kick over 20 thousandths and clean that main web out. You know, where it makes it real difficult to hone, allows you to hone. And this is the bottom of the bore, so then it's going to continue to bore down to the bottom of the main, web. Okay, horizontal stops. This is a small block Chevy, so we've got 4400, 88, 13.2. If I want to check that, I just touch one. 13.2, 13.5. I can say OK. So I change that bore spacing. That's definitely not correct. So we'll go to auto bore cycle. We would start cycling right there, and we'd crash because I got the wrong number there. So we better back up and change that. So we'll go back here. We'll change that to 13.2. And say OK. So now we would be ready to go. Okay, so we'll just continue to look right down here at the machine, get a good look at the performance fixture, and we'll come back around here to the side, and we're going to look at the locators. This thing has several locators, small block Chevy, big block Chevy. I think it has some Opar locators. These are the spacers for doing the lifter bores. It has lifter true with it, and we'll come right over here. This is the entering fixture, the push plate. This is for the lower end machine package. The 14-inch cutter head, the manuals, the 2.9 to 5-inch boring head. This is the lifter bore tooling. It also has a fly cutter. It has an end mill, several end mills and holders. I mean, stuff that typically doesn't come with it. He's going to let this stuff go with it. Here's all the tool holders, tip holders, inserts. Here's the micrometer for the boring head. Here's some stuff for the lower end machine package. And this is nice. It has a line boring attachment with it. It has two boring heads, one with an extension so you can do a little longer. Sometimes you have a longer main web you got to cut. Here's all the tip holders for that. Here's the magnet for centering up on the line boring. Also with this machine, it has a leveling table, a dual axis leveling table, which allows us to level ahead. We stick it in here. So this is a really nice fixture. It's T-slotted, so anything you can actually put on this table, and clamp it down. We have a dual axis level with it. Okay, comes with the machine. Here's all the bars, some parallels, and we also have the toolbox that comes with it. We've got everything out of the toolbox right now. So if you have any questions, give me a call. 513-702-2399. Looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.